Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create strobe photography effect in Houdini. So let's start in Houdini. So first of all, I create one geometry node. I just double click on it, and here for this example I call one alembic file, and for that I just click tab and write down alembic, and by clicking this I call this dance.abc. So you can see over here I have this animation. So now this strobe photography effects just give you that ghost trail kind of effect on your output. Okay, so for that here you have one very good node, that is trail. So now you see, by applying this trail effect I just get one small trail, one frame trail with this animation. So to increase that thing, you can see over here in parameter, this is trail length. So now by increasing this thing, you can get easily some good amount of trail for your animation. So now what I am going to do for one frame strobe photography effect, I need that this duplication should be same number as your current frame. So for that I just go over here and I just write down one variable $f. Okay, and it give me the frames. So by time you can increase your trail amount and you can get this good strobe photography effect. But now my point is in this example is that if I want to show that strobe photography effect on every 5 frame or every 10 frame or every 20 frames, so particular time interval I want that strobe photography effect. So here there is no controller like that in that trail effect. So for that what am I going to do? First of all I create one null. So through that I can create one controller, and from that controller I can manage that thing. So I just go over here, I just edit parameter and I create one integer. I just click over here, just go to parameter, name it as interval, label time interval, set my range to maybe 1 to 50, channel, and set default parameter to 10, apply and accept. Okay, now here what am I going to do? Before applying trail I add one more node, that is your time shift node. Okay, now time shift node, as you see over here, it through that you can easily shift your time and all those stuff. So by default it contain over here See, if I click over here, you can see the expression, that is $F. So see, what am I going to do? I just, for example, I divide that thing with 10. Okay. And what I got over here, I just click on that thing, and now you see, you can see that you get very slow motion of your animation. Okay, you can slow down your animation, and over here you can see that because I divide that thing with 10, on 10th number frame it give me value 1, and before that it give me 0.1 point, definitely because we divide that thing, that 3 divided by 10, so it give me 0.3 value and all those stuff. So what I want is that I just apply one function, that is floor. Okay, so it convert your value into round figure on floor side. So now you see over here on 0 number, 2nd number, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th, it give me result 0, that is your round figure, and on 10th number frame it give me value 1. So now what I have to do, so you divide your frame by 10 and you convert that value into floor. Now you again multiply that thing with 10, and now you get a result like, I just click over here, and now you see 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and on 10th number frame you get a result 10, and same way on 20th number frame you get, and you see over here you get something like this, because see, your animation behave like this, tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, and after that if you apply this thing, it give me result like that. So now what I am going to do is that I just select this thing, I just select this value, I just copy parameter, I go over here and I change this 10th digit value with, just right click over here and paste relative reference. Same way over here, because I need to multiply that thing with the same value, and I just paste relative reference over here, and you get some same result, but I lost my animation. So for that, what am I going to do? I just add one merge node. I just set one input, that is my original animation, and this one as my trail animation. And if I see this thing, okay, now you just need to change like this, for example 5 frame interval. So every 5 frame you get this Strobe photography or ghost trail effect. Okay, 25th, so every 25th number frame you get this result, and definitely if you set it to 1, it gives you same result. Okay, don't worry about that, because it is just because of this cache and all those stuff. So if you render it or you export that thing, you don't worry about this thing. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial. See you soon with another. Thank you.